Hey guys, I just wanted to come on and go over a few things that I've been looking at on the chart. So right now we're looking at BTC, and this is using the same strategy that I presented last time with the 200 EMA, 200 SMA, and the 8 and 21 EMAs. So I didn't go over the other indicators that I use with this, which generally include the MACD and the stochastic here. So the stochastic, looking at BTC here, the stochastic isn't giving me anything or isn't really showing anything to confirm a direction here. However, the MACD is obviously looking down. One thing that we can look at in that context is potential bullish divergence. It's not confirmed, and it won't be confirmed until we have some signals or some turnaround signals that start printing some green bars on the MACD. But if we were to lose, if we were to come a little bit lower here and lose the closing price from the 29th, then there would be potential for bullish divergence to form on the MACD here. In this particular strategy with the configurations that I have, this tends to work out pretty well. However, it is obviously better if you have confluence with the stochastics as well. So moving over to Ethereum, you have basically the same thing. We currently have the potential for bullish divergence with the closing price being lower than the previous closing price. Again, these are based off of closing prices, not wicks. So again, it's not confirmed yet, so we'll need to wait to see if we get some green bars printed on the MACD. And then a couple of other that I want to look at here. Solana obviously has been pretty popular. This one, the buy signals tend to be when you're in a macro uptrend. The buy signals tend to happen at the SMA and EMA 200s. And so we did get a buy signal here for this particular strategy on top of the 200 EMA. That one obviously did not work out. Well, rather it did work out, but it's come back. So it depends on your time frame, how you're trading for that one. What I'd be looking for here is another, for this to either continue to put in a higher low here and continue moving up, or potentially come down and touch the 200 SMA. That would be the next buy signal for moving up. Obviously, there's some challenges with that because then you would be putting in higher, lower highs and lower lows, which would not necessarily be a good sign. So take that for what it's worth. If it closes below the 200s here, that's when I'm going to be looking to start exiting my Solana positions myself. And then the other one that I'll look at is Super. Super is also looking like it could be at a potential buy spot if you're following this strategy. So again, buying at the 200 EMA when you're in uptrend is generally a good idea. The MACD here is at a point where it could be printing a bullish divergence. Again, this is overly optimistic until we actually see some confirmation. Same thing with this strategy. If it starts closing below the, as Solana, if this starts closing below the 200s, that's when I'm going to be exiting some of my positions for that. Also, the stochastics here are not really showing any confluence. The good thing about this one, though, is the stochastics are towards the bottom end of the range, and so they have some room to move if things start to move up. All right, I hope you're all doing well and have a good day.